Alright guys, finally it came, my monitor came, and yeah, I want to do a review on a monitor because I'll be getting a new PC soon. I'm getting it like probably next week. So yeah, I'm gonna review that. And this monitor is a Sceptre monitor, and I got it from Amazon. I might put a link down below so you guys can go check it out. And yeah, I'm gonna do like a unboxing of it. So yeah, woo, this looks so nice right here. And it's a curved monitor. It's not just a monitor, it's a curved one. And yeah, my PC's coming soon. I got a really good one. So it was kind of hard to open it up. Okay. Okay. Open that box up. Kind of nervous because the shipping was really fast. It came in for like 4 days, you know. So yeah, it was really fast. Try to take this monitor out. I don't want to break anything. Okay. Phone because the other angle wasn't that great. So yeah. Lid. Hey, thumbnail. Thumbnail always come first, you know. Ooh, look at this. I don't know what this really is. Comes with cables. So yeah. Comes with I think cables and a screwdriver right here. Some manual book. Cables. Screwdriver. Just drill it. This is the pad. I'm gonna put this somewhere so you guys can see. Alright guys, it's a curved monitor. Pretty excited for this video. So yeah. Here's the pad. Kind of nervous. I'm gonna see how this monitor do, you know. You got the power cable right here. I don't know how to put this on, but you just stick it on. Jesus, I'm about to break this thing. I'll show you footage when I'm done with this. Was to put this on this pad right here. Monitor right here. Get you a closer look. It's a curved monitor. Try to take this out really carefully. I don't want to break it. Oh. Ooh. Look how clean this shit look. The monitor look like Sceptre or whatever this monitor it's called. I think it's a gaming monitor. And right here you could see it's curved. So yeah, hopefully it's going to be a good monitor. I'm going to show you at the end when I finish the build. I'm gonna turn this on and shit. So yeah, guys, it's really nice how they come with the HDMI cable. So you know, it's really nice. And this is what it looks like for the monitor. I just hooked my Xbox to it. So yeah, I always wanted to do this. So let's just do this shit. To peel this thing off. Wait up, wait up. Okay, okay. Hear this? Ooh, crispy. I'm gonna turn it on. There's like a power on button right here. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Xbox. Alright, alright. It's curved. You can see it's all curved. This monitor can go up and down. So it's really nice. Yeah, I'm finna get on some Fortnite right now. So yeah, this is gonna be really good for my PC. I bought this for my PC though, so. The sound is not that great, but you know, it's a monitor. It's like $130 monitor. It's not that bad. The volume that I can turn it on. So that's pretty cool about this monitor, because not a lot of monitor can they don't got like, what's it called, speakers. I just got this dance today, so it's pretty lit. Yeah, if you guys want to see me stream, you know, be streaming soon, you know. That's why I'm so happy about this new monitor and the PC that's coming. And I bought a new desk. And yeah, if you guys enjoy this video, please give this a thumbs up, and see you guys next time.